we've got this great new technique to do some epic looking naan on the big green egg. So I have a new naan recipe. It's on my website, and we've just rolled one out. I'm going to get this one ready. So what I want to do, put a little bit of oil on the top of it, because that's going to help the top crisp up. Okay, so I'm just going to baste that. Looking good. And then I have just a cushion made of rolled up tea towels. We're going to flip this over the top of it like that, just to hold it. And then I'm going to get some water on it. So I've got my tap here, so we'll get some water over the top. Just to make it sticky on the outside. Nice. And then in this egg, direct heat into a cast iron pan. It's about 250 degrees. In with the naan. And we're just going to bash it down. Ooh, got a bit fat on the edge, so that's going to gut the edges. So you want it on the cast iron pan. Perfect. And I'm going to shut it and give it about a minute. So we're going to open this up, have a quick look. Bit of a burp. Oh, it's starting to bubble. Can you see it's got nice little bubbles in there? Not quite ready yet. I'm going to shut it, give it another minute or so, but it's going to be good. Okay, let's have a quick look at what's going on in here. A little bit of a burp. Oh, look at that. Now I'm going to put a bit more oil on it. So I'm going to dive in there. Tiny bit of oil over the top. A little bit of a baste. Now you could put ghee on. Ghee would work really well, but I've just got olive oil, so it's just the way it is. Now, that is going to be good on the bottom, but what we want to do is just turn this cast iron pan upside down, just so we can crisp up the top. So I'm going to shut it. We've got a bit of flame going on. We're probably going to do 45 seconds, and we should get these lovely, crispy, golden, peaky bits. And this is the softest naan with a lovely base. That's what I'm aiming for. So, better get this one right, because that's Helena's. This one's mine. Right, let's have a little look. Put a set of these silicone gloves on. Work a treat, keep you nice and safe. Open it up. Oh. What do we say? I reckon another 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Now the idea is you don't want to use a non-stick pan, you want to use a cast iron pan. It will stick slightly, that's why you get the crispy base, and it will just come out perfectly. So I reckon that's about 10-15 seconds. Open it up, get our pan, perfect naan. So I'm just going to get a spatula, a fish slice. It's supposed to stick, that's the idea. I'll put it on there. I'm going to put my pan back in, and then I'll show you what the base looks like. It's going to be really hot. It's going to be super hot. Look at that, proper naan. So, naan bread on the big green egg to die for.